Ever noticed your salary goes up, but your wealth doesn't? It's not bad luck, it's decisions. Tip 1. Spend less than you earn because that gap is where wealth starts. Tip 2. Pay yourself first. Move your money before you spend it. Tip 3. Build an emergency fund so one surprise doesn't send you back to zero. Tip 4. Invest early. Even with small amounts, time works for you, not against you. Tip 5. Don't rely on one income. Increase your income, not just cut expenses. Tip 6. Avoid consumer debt. The things you enjoy today can steal your future. Tip 7. Buy assets, not liabilities. Always ask, will this make me money or cost me money? Tip 8. Diversify your income. Financial safety never comes from one source. Tip 9. Track your numbers every month. Money you don't watch disappears. Closing, CTA. Wealth isn't a jump, wealth is a daily habit. If this helped, drop a like and start today.